The financial technology landscape is undergoing a seismic shift, driven by the relentless pace of innovation known as the FinTech revolution. This revolution is reshaping economies, ushering in a new era of finance characterized by enhanced accessibility, efficiency, and customer centricity. FinTech encompasses advancements disrupting traditional services, from mobile payments to blockchain technology. At its core, FinTech empowers consumers and businesses with greater control over their finances. Traditional institutions are challenged by agile FinTech startups offering more convenient, affordable, and personalized solutions. This shift is fueled by smartphone and internet penetration, big data, and AI. FinTech is poised to play an increasingly important role in shaping the future of finance. The rapid growth of the FinTech industry is fueled by a surge in venture capital investments. Investors recognize the transformative potential of FinTech and are pouring billions into promising startups. This capital fosters innovation and drives new technologies disrupting financial services. Venture capital firms are drawn to FinTech companies addressing key pain points like secure payments and credit access. These firms provide the funding needed to develop products, scale operations, and expand into new markets. Venture capital is driving innovation, enabling FinTech to challenge traditional financial institutions. The banking sector is undergoing a profound transformation, driven by the rise of digital payments and the increasing adoption of artificial intelligence, or AI. Consumers are increasingly embracing digital payment methods, such as mobile wallets and contactless payments, for their convenience and speed. This shift towards digital payments is forcing banks to adapt their business models and invest heavily in digital technologies to remain competitive. AI is also playing an increasingly important role in banking, enabling banks to automate processes, improve customer service, and enhance risk management. AI-powered chatbots are being used to provide 24/7 customer support, while machine learning algorithms are being deployed to detect fraudulent transactions and assess creditworthiness. The convergence of digital payments and AI is creating a more seamless and personalized banking experience for customers. Banks are leveraging these technologies to offer a wider range of digital services, such as personalized financial advice, automated savings tools, and real-time expense tracking. This shift towards digital banking is not only benefiting consumers, but is also enabling banks to reduce costs and improve efficiency. The impact of the FinTech revolution is not limited to developed economies. It is also transforming the financial landscape in emerging markets across Africa, Asia, and Latin America. FinTech is playing a crucial role in promoting financial inclusion in these regions by providing access to financial services to the unbanked and underbanked populations. Mobile money platforms, for example, are enabling millions of people in Africa to access financial services for the first time, allowing them to send and receive money, pay bills, and access microloans using their mobile phones. FinTech is also facilitating access to credit for small and medium-sized enterprises, or SMEs, in emerging markets, which are often underserved by traditional banks. The rapid adoption of FinTech in emerging markets is being driven by several factors, including the increasing availability of affordable smartphones and internet access, the lack of legacy financial infrastructure, and the growing demand for financial services among young and tech-savvy populations. FinTech is empowering individuals and businesses in emerging markets, driving economic growth, and fostering financial inclusion. Section 5. Navigating Cultural Differences, FinTech's Global Challenge. As FinTech companies expand their operations globally, they face the challenge of navigating cultural differences and adapting their products and services to meet the specific needs of diverse markets. What works in one country or region may not necessarily translate to another, and FinTech companies need to be mindful of local customs, preferences, and regulations. For example, in some cultures, there may be a preference for face-to-face interactions when it comes to financial matters, while in others, digital channels may be more readily embraced. FinTech companies need to be aware of these nuances and tailor their offerings accordingly. Moreover, language barriers, varying levels of financial literacy, and different attitudes towards risk and technology adoption can all pose significant challenges for FinTech companies operating in multiple markets. Overcoming these challenges requires a deep understanding of local cultures, a willingness to adapt, and a commitment to building trust with customers from diverse backgrounds. Section 6. Regulatory landscape. Uncertainty and the need for adaptability. The regulatory landscape for fintech is constantly evolving, creating both opportunities and challenges for companies operating in this space. Governments around the world are grappling with how to regulate this rapidly evolving industry, balancing the need to foster innovation with the imperative to protect consumers and ensure financial stability. One of the key challenges facing fintech companies is the lack of regulatory certainty in many jurisdictions. The rapid pace of innovation in fintech often outpaces the development of regulations, creating uncertainty for companies and investors alike. This uncertainty can stifle innovation and make it difficult for fintech companies to secure funding and scale their operations. To navigate this complex regulatory landscape, fintech companies need to be agile and adaptable, closely monitoring regulatory developments and engaging proactively with regulators. Building strong relationships with regulators and demonstrating a commitment to compliance can help fintech companies build trust and operate successfully in a rapidly changing environment. Section 7. Bridging the gap collaboration between traditional banks and fintechs. While fintech startups are often seen as disruptors to the traditional financial services industry, there is a growing trend of collaboration between fintech companies and traditional banks. Both sides are recognizing that they can benefit from each other's strengths and are increasingly partnering to offer innovative financial solutions to their customers. Fintech companies bring to the table their technological expertise, agility, and customer-centric approach, while traditional banks offer their established infrastructure, regulatory experience, and vast customer base. By collaborating, they can leverage each other's strengths to create a win-win situation for both parties and their customers. This collaboration can take many forms, from joint ventures and strategic partnerships to acquisitions and investments. For example, some banks are partnering with fintech companies to offer mobile banking solutions, while others are investing in fintech startups to gain access to cutting-edge technologies. Section 8. Legacy systems, a hurdle in the fintech revolution. One of the biggest challenges facing traditional banks as they seek to embrace fintech is the burden of their legacy systems. Many banks are saddled with outdated technology infrastructure that is slow, inflexible, and expensive to maintain. These legacy systems can hinder banks' ability to innovate and compete effectively in the digital age. Upgrading legacy systems can be a complex, time-consuming, and costly endeavor. However, it is essential for banks that want to remain competitive in the fintech era. Banks need to invest in modernizing their technology infrastructure to enable them to offer the digital products and services that customers demand and to keep pace with the rapid pace of innovation in the fintech space. The future of finance, opportunities and challenges in a fintech world. The fintech revolution is transforming the financial services industry, creating both opportunities and challenges. Fintech will continue to shape the industry and the broader economy. One significant opportunity is increasing financial inclusion. Fintech can reach underserved populations, providing access to financial services. However, challenges like data privacy and cybersecurity must be addressed. Balancing innovation with consumer protection is crucial. In different jurisdictions. Section 11. Conclusion. Embracing the transformation, shaping the future of finance. The fintech revolution is transforming the financial services landscape at an unprecedented pace, creating both opportunities and challenges for all stakeholders. As we move towards a more digital and interconnected world, FinTech will continue to play a pivotal role in shaping the future of finance. By embracing innovation, fostering collaboration, and addressing the challenges posed by this rapidly evolving industry, we can harness the power of FinTech to create a more inclusive, efficient, and customer-centric financial system. The future of finance is being written today, and by working together, we can shape it in a way that benefits everyone.